There is no wudu facility in the masjid due to COVID-19 regulations. What should we do if someone's wudu breaks? Should we do tayammum?
No. Go next door and ask for water, inshallah. There's plenty of water in this country. And I think you will not find a place which is too far away to give you water. Any shop will give you water, inshallah. There's toilets here in the shops, and you've got plenty of takeaways. No. So there's no such thing. You make tayammum here. If you were in a place where there is no water in far distance, yes. No. I would say to you next time, if you are a person who is vulnerable, flatulence, incontinence, then bring your own water, akhi, with you. Your bottle, mashallah, brother, got a big bottle. He could make not just a wudu, he make ghusl. Full ghusl. Brother. You know the Prophet ﷺ would make ghusl with something like this? Yeah. Full ghusl with that. Yeah. Ghusl of the Prophet ﷺ is that I could make wudu with half of it. SubhanAllah.